Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to place for all things beauty and wellness. Today we've got a product that's perfect for beauty professionals on the go. Whether you're a lash technician, massage therapist, or even a tattoo artist, if you've ever been looking for a portable, adjustable, and stylish massage table, then stick around because we're diving into the YOUNIKE Portable Lash Bed. Let's see if this beauty deserves a spot in your workspace or home. This YOUNIKE massage table is designed with a focus on versatility, and it aims to make your job more efficient with its easy portability and adjustable features. Let's talk through what makes this bed stand out from others in the market. First off, its main selling point is its multifunctionality. The YOUNIKE Lash Bed comes with adjustable legs, backrest, and headrest, allowing you to customize the position based on your client's needs. Whether you're offering eyelash extensions, facials, or even massages, this bed can cater to various treatments. Its three-fold design makes it more ergonomic than a two-fold version, offering you more flexibility in both comfort and practicality. Now, let's get into the build and material. The YOUNIKE bed is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, which is known for being lightweight but durable. At just 30.86 pounds, this portable bed is easy to transport, making it perfect for business trips, home use, or salons that need to save space. The construction is solid, too. Aluminum combined with high-strength steel wire ensures the table remains sturdy, while a plywood frame provides strong support for the thick, high-density cushion. Speaking of comfort, the bed's design incorporates PU leather upholstery filled with high-density foam. This combination not only gives a soft, breathable experience for your clients, but also makes cleaning up afterward a breeze. A quick wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to keep the surface pristine. Let's not forget style. The YOUNIKE Lash Bed is a sleek black, fitting into a variety of spaces, from beauty salons to tattoo parlors to even home setups. It's designed to complement your decor while still being a practical, functional piece of equipment. Now, real-world testing. I've been using this bed in my home for several weeks now, and I can say that it's incredibly easy to set up and fold away in about 30 seconds. For those of you working from home or needing something that doesn't take up too much space, this feature is a huge plus. The comfort level is great, especially for short sessions. The cushion is soft, and the adjustments are easy to make. However, for longer sessions, you might want something with even more padding. It's fine for shorter treatments like lash extensions or facials, but may not be as comfortable for longer massages. Let's go over the pros and cons. On the pro side, this bed is super lightweight and portable, perfect for professionals who need to transport their equipment frequently. The three-fold design is a major bonus for ergonomics, offering more comfort and flexibility. The adjustable features make it versatile for different treatments, and the PU leather makes it easy to clean. On the downside, while it's comfortable for shorter sessions, I do feel that the cushion could be a bit thicker for longer treatments. It's great for beauty services, but may not be the best choice for full-body massages over long periods. Also, although it's sturdy, the lightweight nature means you do sacrifice a little in terms of overall robustness when compared to heavier, more industrial-grade tables. Now, in terms of value for money, the YOUNIKE Lash Bed offers great versatility at a reasonable price. If you're a beauty professional or someone working from home, this is a solid investment, especially considering its portability and adjustable features. However, if you're looking for something that's going to support long, extended treatments, there might be better options in the higher-end price range. Comparing this to similar tables in the market, there are definitely more expensive models with thicker cushioning and more robust construction. But for those of you needing a portable and space-saving option that doesn't break the bank, the YOUNIKE stands out for its excellent balance of features and affordability. As for customer support, I didn't have direct interaction, but based on reviews, YOUNIKE seems to handle inquiries promptly. No major red flags there. If you feel like this product isn't quite your style, there are some more affordable options out there with similar functionality, like the Best Massage Portable Folding Massage Table. While it's slightly less adjustable, it offers comparable comfort and is priced lower. To wrap it all up, I'd say the YOUNIKE Portable Lash Bed is a great option for beauty professionals or anyone looking for a versatile, portable, and affordable solution. It's a solid choice for short-term treatments, easy to transport, and offers great adjustability. However, if you're in need of something with more long-term comfort for extended sessions, you may want to look at higher-end models with thicker cushioning. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase the YOUNIKE Lash Bed in the description box below. And if you've tried this product or have a similar one you love, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.